So we don't have a joint account, but we use his credit card under his name. I'm the one who manages it. And then, okay, credit card natin. Okay, Mami, may ano pa ba? Okay, credit card mo yan. But most likely, credit card kami kasi like right now, I'm doing analytics, data analytics. So, mabilis siya i-load. Then, makikita mo na agad. Every month, ibibigay ko na lang sa kanya yung dashboard ko na meron ng meron ng mga tawag nito, mga graph kung ano yung pinakamalaking expenses.
So basically, ikaw yung nagmamanage din ng credit card.
Yes.
So sa household, ikaw yung parang...
Yes, sa finance, yes. So we have, our savings account is only for the basic needs, and a little bit of emergency funds. We don't put big amount in savings. Kasi hindi siya kumikita sayang lang. So, we put it in a different vehicle we're in. Kunwari, meron kaming UITF na nag-earn ng, what do you call this? Quarterly dividends. We also have, because my husband, tinuruan ko siya trade, not really trading kasi walang masyadong time. So we also earn dividends from that, from stocks. So hindi siya ganun ka super laki na maging milyonaryo ka one time, but it's really enough. Kung ipupul mo lahat yun, it's really enough. We also, during the pandemic, lumabas yung mga RT bills, yung mga ganun. So I asked him na bumili ka ng treasury bonds ngayon kasi quarterly ang bigayan. And so, yeah.